You just saw me get the whole mill set up. We got it pulled onto the same concrete pad I had my old mill on. I bought this thing new from Wood Miser, and the techs there at Wood Miser, they said you don't really have to worry about getting it super level, just as long as your saw head isn't sliding a certain direction when you don't want it to. So I tried to get it as level as I could, but no, it's not perfect. This is not its permanent home. This is where it's going to sit for now. So for those of you that don't know the whole story on this sawmill, I had an older sawmill I bought used. It was a Mr. Sawmill brand, and I bought it a little over a year ago. I sold it 6 or 8 months after I bought it for twice what I paid for it. And then I purchased this mill, which is brand new, straight from Wood Miser. And for anyone that's been looking at sawmills or has purchased one and is waiting on it, you'll know the wait lists are super long. This one had a wait time that was a little over a year, so I would have gotten it in 2023, but I waited about 20 weeks. And I had heard a rumor that if you upgraded to a diesel engine, you could get your mill pretty quick. So I called my local Wood Miser rep. He said he hadn't heard anything like that before, but he said I could upgrade, and worst case, if it didn't go through quicker, I could go back to gas. So I upgraded, and sure enough, they had a diesel in stock. They got the mill sent to me within that month, and then it took them another 2 weeks to get it all assembled and ready for me to pick it up. I had a much shorter waiting time than most. So if you guys are waiting on a mill, if you really want one, you can upgrade to a diesel engine, and you might be able to get your mill pretty quick. I got my old pile of rotten lumber from my last mill. This was a practice log that I let the guy test the old mill out on before he bought it. So I may just throw that on the mill right now, just for my first test log. And I've got another little cherry limb there that I was going to have him test it out on too. He didn't want to, so we were probably going to throw that one on the mill as well. I don't have the tractor out with me today, so the only things I'm going to mill are the things I can load by hand. So these aren't going to be light, but I think I can manage to get them up there, and we'll see what we can do. First thing, for travel, they've got this pin in here so the saw head doesn't slide back and forth while you're driving. So I got that pin out. The whole saw head should just lift right up out of there now, and we should pretty much be good to go. And next thing you apparently have to do before milling is take these fenders off. Luckily they're pretty easy to remove. I can do it one-handed. I did order another 15 blades. They're actually in my truck, but those are 4 degree. I'm not sure what these are, or this one is. We got this log cut up. I just did 1-inch boards. Once again, not really doing dimensional lumber because this log isn't big enough for much of that. So these might turn into charcuterie boards or something. But anyway guys, I'm going to take these boards off one at a time, spray them with a little water, and then stack them over here. And as I do that, I've also got my phone recording right next to you guys. So I am posting a bunch of time-lapse sawmill clips on an Instagram account. It is called Farm and Hammer Official. Farm and Hammer, the Instagram account is not mine. So do Farm and Hammer Official and you'll find some more sawmilling clips there. Alright guys, so here's the final product. We have 6 4/4 boards, or for everyone that doesn't know the crazy sawmill lingo, it is 6 1-inch boards. So 4/4 just means 1 inch, 8/4 means 2 inch. So now we've got 6 1-inch slabs. This one is slightly more than an inch, so I'm gonna have to figure out what to do there because I need to add some weight to the top of these to keep them from bowing. But anyway, this is their temporary home for probably a week or two, and then we'll move them into the barn. Video wise, I'm hoping to do 1 sawmill video a week, kind of like I do the farm videos. So I'll still post my weekly farm vlog video on Sunday or sometime on the weekend. And then midweek, I'm hoping to post 1 sawmill video. I'm not actually going to be milling every week, but I'll probably do a couple trees, split that up into 2 videos, and then post a video once a week. So no, I don't expect everyone to enjoy these sawmilling videos. So if sawmilling is not something you enjoy watching, just wait till the other farm videos come out, but I will be posting these probably once a week. So, and before I get off here, just to close things out, remember I do have an Instagram account now called Farm and Hammer Official. There you can find some more content that you won't see on my farming videos on YouTube. So check out the Instagram if you have one. I'll be posting quite a bit more there than I normally do on my personal account. So check that out if you've got an Instagram and are interested. And with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.